Hey everybody, this is Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are looking at a 2025 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk in platinum gray with a black rub rail. This boat comes with a trailer, an actual swing tongue trailer to save you some room to get in most garages. We have a spare tire. This boat is powered by a Mercury 115. Let's get on board and I'll show you around. Hey, now that we're on board the 170 Montauk, we'll go over a couple of features this boat has on it. We do have the rear jump seats that come in and out. The headrests come out for rod holders. This boat is equipped with a fishing package, so you're going to have the seat's going to be reversible both ways. Aerated live well underneath. This boat is equipped with a VHF radio, and with a fishing package, you're going to get compass. You're going to have tackle storage down here. You're going to have the cooler cushion seat up front with rod holders as well. We also have bow cushions in the front with a big fish box that is insulated with plenty of room on it. If you'd like to see this boat, you can come down to MarineMax in Charleston or reach us at MarineMaxCharleston.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Let's get on the water.